What's up? As you can see, I do not have Garbage Pail Kids. I'm changing it up a little. I mean, I guess I have some other footballs, but I was looking for just something cheap to open. So I was at the LCS and got this at a reasonable price for 2020. So this is a 2013 certified. As you can see by my audience in the background, we're going to be looking for Kelce rookies and any other Chiefs stuff would be welcomed, along with, I believe it's also has the Honey Badgers rookie card in it. But I guess the big one everybody's after is DeAndre out of this class. That's why it was so cheap, but personally, I'm looking for a Kelce. So can't look back now. Pop this guy open. So pop that open. There we go. You can just pull them all out. So in here we've got 10 packs with 5 cards each. No cheating. Alright. Let's just start with the first one here. Ooh, I actually know who that one is. Ooh. See how many of these people are still in the league 7 years later. Russell Wilson. Terrell Suggs. Boom. Wow. What a horrible. Got a Chief. One of the worst draft bust. Looks like one of our hits is here. It's going to have 4 hits in here. I'm going to go ahead and save that. I guess we've already kind of saw who that was, but it's not a bad card. Matthew Stafford. Kendall Wright. And then we've got... Ooh. That's actually not a bad card. Not a bad pull. 1 of 25. You know, I didn't even get my sleeves out. Hold on one second. Get a thick sleeve here. Wow, that's not a bad one. Still someone who's actually active in the NFL. It's not his rookie card, but it's a 1 of 25. That is pretty nice. Is it game worn? Event worn. Very nice. Pull. First pack. That's a... I mean, look at that patch too. 3-color patch. 1 of 25. Boom. I'm not even gonna, you know, if this was a not a disgraced Chief, I would sleeve it up, but you know what? Wow. I mean, it's not even, I'm not even gonna set him up right. Jonathan Baldwin. Wow. Had high hopes for him. Alright, on to pack number 2. I don't know. That's a pretty good first pack. RG3. Drew Brees. Numbered card. Eric Reed. He's pretty good. Out of 99. It's a rookie card. Sleeve that one up. I'm not even sure why, but why not? I don't think he's in the league anymore. I think they kicked him out with Kaepernick. Maybe? I don't know. We'll put a rookie pile here. Filler. We got Julio and Brandon Whedon. Next pack. Come on, Kelce. Kelce. Mahomes, you want a little? Yeah. Get a little Mahomes on him. This pack's been blessed. Frank Gore, stud. Ooh. Got some more gold, some more color back there. These cards are kind of sticky. Arian Foster. Go ahead and pull these. God, these cards are sticky. Not. Jacoby Ford. T.Y. Arian Foster. And then we got a gold. Looks like a Titan. Kenny Britton. 1 of 25. It's not bad. Another 2 1s of 25. Not bad at all. Oh, and if y'all haven't noticed, we did not get a hot box. I guess that's a thing in the certified. It's where all the cards are like red or something. They have like the red lines. Yeah. No big deal. Jeremy Maclin, he eventually became a Chief after this. Lance Briggs. Another rookie numbered card. We've got Mike Gillespie. I don't want to give away the... This looks like another hit we have here. Brandon Pettigrew. Fred Jackson. We'll sleeve up this. We'll just go ahead and we don't care about Mike Gillespie. And what is our hit? It looks like I see a little blue, maybe a cowboy. That looks like cowboy colors. Boom. Miles Austin. 158 out of 199. I'm not sure he's still in the league. Well, oops. Sleeve this up. All right, we got 2 of our 4 hits. I don't know why I'm sleeving up these rookies. But, well, Eric Reed, maybe. That one. All right, here's our 5th pack. On top, oh, oops, hit the camera. Marshawn Lynch. Kenny Britt. So I've got a red card here. Pierre Garçon. Oui, oui. That's 185 out of 250. That in our numbered card. And filler. We got old Cam Newton and Bilal Powell. Alright, that was our halfway point. Stepping over the line. Pack number 6. Looks like we got... Whoa. Alright, I'm going to start putting them over there. Do we need to do that again? Is that a hit? No. Maybe. Autograph card. Des Bryant. Santana Moss. We got Trent Richardson and Felipe Rivers. And our hit is going to be a wide receiver, Wyan Swope. Signature rookie card. 785 out of 99. Not great. Not even sure who this guy is. Pretty sure he ain't on the team no more. So we've got 3 of our hits down. And let's keep going. Still looking for Kelce or a respectable Chief player. Either one. Alright, both would be good. We've got Eli. Eric Decker. Ooh. Phil Simms out of 999. Filler. And then we got Vic Ballard and Tim Tebow as a Patriot. Here we go. Well, that doesn't work if I do it like that, huh? Andre Brown. A Mikael Crabtree. And I think we're going to have our last hit right here, it looks like. We'll go ahead and... We'll just go Quentin Patton RPA. Nope, just big ass patch. Cutler. Mercedes Lewis, and AP. So this is 100 out of 149. Quentin Patton. Wide receiver. Is it game worn? This is an event worn material. Means he put it on for an afternoon. That is a rookie card. Pretty sure he's out of the league. Could be wrong. Boom. There we go. All right. Well, I think our hopes of hitting the Kelce are dwindled. Lawrence Duvernay or Maurice Jones-Drew. I have no idea. Greg Jennings. We've got a Barry Sanders to 99. 999, 979. Immortals. I'll just put in the number pile. Filler. We got Danny Amendola and Andy Dalton. All right, last pack. Come on, Kelce. You guys are supposed to bring. Oh, sorry, Mahomes. So you've got Percy, Brady, ooh, Rob Gronkowski out of 250, red parallel. Probably not worth a worst tight end. Well, we did not get a Kelce, so Owen Daniels and oh, Jamal Charles. At least we ended with a Chief. At least we ended with a Chief. What a stud. Alright. So, I mean, those are our 2 Chiefs. Blatt for Baldwin. Good for Charles. We won't need to do that. Our 2 we got 2 serial numbered rookies. Eric Reed, maybe? I don't know. All our other hits, our other cards, we got Ron Gronkowski out of 250. Barry Sanders out of 999. Quentin Patton, freshman fabric, event worn out of 149. Phil Simms out of 999. Ryan Swope, I have no idea. Pierre Garçon. out of 250 parallel. And then we got a gold parallel Kenny Britt, 1 out of 25. That's a nice card. I don't know why I'm separating these. And then we got a Miles Austin. It's not even a rookie card, I don't know, just a fabric. And that's out of 199. But it looks like our biggest hit came in the first pack there. A 1 of 25 Cordell Patterson. Freshman fabric. Oh, this is a rookie card, huh? Oh yeah, right there. Wow. Wow. Sorry for being so dense. But that is a lot better card than I thought it was. But yeah, I mean, that's a good card. Decent. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.